Today, we are shifting our focus to the youngest members of our global community, children. We will be discussing the Convention on the Rights of the Child, CRC, a landmark treaty that sets out the specific rights that every child is entitled to. What is the CRC? The CRC, adopted by the United Nations General Assembly in 1989, is the most widely ratified human rights treaty in history. It recognizes that children are not just miniature adults, but individuals with unique needs and vulnerabilities who require special care and protection. The CRC sets out a comprehensive set of rights that apply to all children everywhere, regardless of their race, religion, ethnicity, gender, disability, or any other status. Key principles of the CRC. The CRC is built on 4 fundamental principles. Non-discrimination. Every child is entitled to all the rights set out in the CRC without discrimination of any kind. This means that all children, regardless of their background or circumstances, should have equal opportunities to thrive and develop. Best interests of the child. In all actions concerning children, the best interests of the child should be a primary consideration. This means that decisions made by parents, governments, courts, and other institutions should always prioritize what is best for the child's well-being and development. Rights to life, survival, and development. Every child has the right to life, and states must ensure the child's survival and development to their fullest potential. This includes providing adequate health care, nutrition, education, and protection from harm. Respect for the views of the child. Children have the right to express their views freely in all matters affecting them, and their views should be given due weight in accordance with their age and maturity. Key rights in the CRC. The CRC encompasses a broad spectrum of rights, including civil rights and freedoms. Children have the right to a name and nationality, freedom of thought, conscience and religion, freedom of expression, and the right to privacy. Family environment. Children have the right to live with their parents and to be protected from separation from them unless it is in their best interest. They also have the right to family life and to be cared for by their parents or legal guardians. Basic health and welfare. Children have the right to the highest attainable standard of health, including access to health care, clean water, and sanitation. They also have the right to adequate nutrition, housing, and protection from abuse and neglect. Education, leisure, and cultural activities. Children have the right to free and compulsory education, to rest and leisure, and to participate in cultural and artistic activities. Why is the CRC important? The CRC is a powerful tool for protecting and promoting children's rights. It has helped to raise awareness about the unique needs and vulnerabilities of children and has spurred governments and organizations to take actions to improve their lives. The CRC has been instrumental in efforts to combat child labor, protect children from violence, and promote education and healthcare for all children. Challenges and implementation. Despite its widespread ratification, the implementation of CRC remains a challenge in many parts of the world. Poverty, conflict, discrimination, and cultural practices can all hinder the full realization of children's rights. However, the CRC provides a framework for action and a vision for a world where all children can grow up healthy, happy, and protected. It's a reminder that children are not just our future, they are also our present, and they deserve our utmost care and respect.